So if it's adding, you can just add the like terms together. If it's subtracting, you have that step where you have to distribute the negative sign. So look at the first one. Do you see how it's plus? We can just add everything together. So what goes with the negative 2r squared? Plus 1r squared. So negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1r squared. You can put the 1 in front of it if you want to. You don't have to. Okay? And then we have 5r minus 6r, which would be negative 1r. Again, you can put the 1 in front of it if you want to. It's personal preference. And then negative 3 and negative 9 will be negative 12. Right? This one is subtracting. Do you see that minus there? You have to write the middle step. You're going to copy down the first step. Hey, Miss Cole, it looks like you just rewrote what's there. Yep, it's that easy. Just recopy it. And then you take the negative and distribute it through there. Now what's going to happen is everything just switches signs, like opposite day. Bless you. So you're going to have, bless you, you're going to have minus 2x squared plus 3x plus 7. You have to write that middle step if it's subtracting. And then you put the like terms together. So how many x squareds are we going to end up with here? 5x squared, good. 7 minus 2. And then for the x's, you have negative 4 plus 3. That would be negative 1x. And then 1 plus 7 is 8. So for number 3, you're going to need to write the middle step because it's subtraction. Start all the way over here because it's going to take up a lot of space. You're just recopying the first part and then distribute the negative sign. So that's going to give you minus 2k, minus 7k squared, and then plus 1. It's all just opposite. Oh, you have something to write with. Write this down. Whoops. All right, so how many k squareds do we have if we put those together? Good, 5k squared. And then what happens with the k's, like regular old k? Yeah, they cancel. Plus 2 and minus 2 cancels out. And then you have negative 5 plus 1, negative 4. Perfect. Now this one, can you pick that up off the ground then? This one, you don't need to write the middle step because it's adding. Is anything going to go with this 5y squared? Like, do you see another y squared? So what do we do then? Yeah, just leave it. Just keep it there. All right, then we've got a negative 1y. You can put the 1 in front of that if you want. And negative 2y. So that will be
3y.
Negative 3y. Good. And that perfect. 7 plus 8 is you 15. Yes. All right, this one, you're going to need to make the middle step. Copy down the first stuff. Just rewrite. You can't be too proud to rewrite it or too lazy. You have to actually write it. Okay?
Quiz.
Yeah.
After.
Yes. And then you're going to distribute the negative. What's that going to give you?
Minus 4x.
Good. Minus 4x. Good. And plus 2. Then you put the like terms together. What's going to go with the 8x? Or minus 4x. So 8 minus 4, 4. So 4x. And then what?
Plus 2 squared plus 2.
Yeah, those just stay because they're not like terms, so you can't do anything with them. So just write them out. Yeah, there's a total of 7 problems. You're going to be okay.
On the quiz?
Yeah.
Oh.
All right, so flip it over. You're given the lengths of 2 hallways with these 2 expressions. Write a polynomial that represents the total. You want the total, are you adding or subtracting? Adding. You want a total, you add. Okay. So what goes with the 5x squared? Yeah, good. Just add them together. That would be 19x squared. Good. You all can add. Negative 7x plus 9x would be positive 2x. And then 3 plus 5. Good. Thank you. Plus 8. Good job. See, kind words. Nice job. All right. And then the last one, these are the sides of a triangle. We want the perimeter. That means you're going to add them up. You're just adding up the sides. A perimeter is the outside edges. So what's gonna go with the 3x squared?
7x squared.
Good, add those together. 10x squared. And then 2x and 9x, 11x, -4 + 2 is -2.
I guess it worked.